removing and attaching the foot holder. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Raise the presser foot lifter if it is in the down position. Loosen the thumb screw and remove the foot holder. Attach the foot holder to the presser bar from behind. Tighten the thumb screw with your fingers. Lower the presser foot lifter. Lower the needle by turning the hand wheel. Tighten the thumb screw firmly with the screwdriver to secure the foot holder. Raise the needle and presser foot. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.